Hello guys and welcome to another Zimaleta. In today's video I'm going to show you how to remove a fuel tank. I already have dropped it. It takes two number 13s to actually drop it down, but I want to give you some advice what you should be doing in order to remove it to make your job a little bit more easier. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. So I gotta actually pull out last fuel hose on this side. So let's see, that's a 7, that's a 6. Seven and a 6. Okay, I'm gonna bring these things closer. So the large hose, we removed it like right there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the same thing for that other fuel tank. I'm gonna go ahead and attach that, and then we'll add that one. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and get this little one disconnected. So this one here, there's lots of stuff that's in the way at the clamp because I got some extra wires that was not part of the original design. And then of course I got these gasoline trucks. They also got somewhat bent, so when they're bent it's a lot harder to work. So we're gonna set that one over there because we don't want to have to bend up this time. Okay, get this one out. See, this being bent like it is doesn't really help things much when you're trying to pull everything together, because when you're in that awkward position underneath, these things don't want to come up like they're supposed to. It's very hard. So now I'm gonna go ahead and drop the fuel tank down more. Now it's tilting towards that way. We could just leave that one in place. Now all we have to do is climb underneath and remove a couple more fittings. And I know there's possibly going to be some difficulty, so I'm gonna take some extra tools. Because these helps me remove clamps, I'm gonna take a flathead, and I'm also take a 6, a 7, and an 8mm type of tool. The only thing we need is a flashlight. Okay, guys, I have everything I need in order for me to complete this fuel tank removal process. I think the only thing that I have in the way is the actual jack. It's the only thing. Okay, yeah, I would like to pull the jack out. Jack is in my way. I mean, now there's plenty of room for it to just stand on it like that. And it's very crowded in here, so it's very important to have space. Guys, it rained, so it's water everywhere. Okay, I'm gonna put these stuff there. I have no choice but getting wet right now. There's water. Now, this is what I was talking about, guys. You see this? Well, you see this that fitting right there? I'm gonna have to disconnect it, and I'm gonna have to disconnect it with this, because this is the inlet hose. Hopefully I could do it. This is a bigger clamp than normal. I really got to get myself some of these special clamp removers, special type of pliers. Okay, you see, now this is the original plastic fitting. This is where I want to connect stuff. So I'm going to pull that tube out. And what did I do with the clamp? It's probably still on there. Okay, now the very next thing is that thing. And I don't know what size it is on the back. I'm gonna move this flashlight down to the appropriate spot. Okay. All right. So can't even twist over. No, this is. Okay, so this is the plastic line that we need to remove. I have to get my arm behind the drive shaft in order to actually get this clamp loose. So and this clamp is a difficult one. This is a bigger one. It's not easy to undo it. Looks like I even avoided removing it last time. I think this time I got it. So just in case, I'm just gonna go ahead and twist this clamp further down. Oh guys, I see the brake lines, they are not in a good spot. They are really rusted, and they usually rust right underneath the fuel tank, guys. They're not looking good at all. So anyways, yeah, I just got hit in the head with a metal flashlight. Okay, so that is good. The only thing now, I do need my pliers, my screwdriver. Okay. Use the rest of my tools. So I gotta disconnect the electrical. Why is it being difficult? Should have just unsnapped. Jeez. Guys, this is like, hasn't even been on for that long. It's already feeling very, very stuck. I have no leverage here. What awkward thing. So we're good now. Well, anyways guys, the fuel tank is now removed. All the hoses are out. Just a little refresher, you will be needing a number 13, a number 6, a 7, and an 8 in order to actually remove this fuel tank. Very easy, and of course, a recommendation. Make sure you have a flathead screwdriver and some kind of pliers that are used for cutting to actually help you remove some of these clamps. Yes, it is a little bit of a struggle, but you could do it, guys. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, because I want to help you work on your own Sprinter. Thank you so much for watching, and see you guys in my next video. My name is Serge Zimaleta. I'm 37 years old, and yes, I experienced success after buying my first home for cash. Back in 2011, I was broke, but I learned to solve problems on my own. Now, I'm helping others to solve their problems. I know what pitfalls to avoid to stay profitable in business. Need motivation to be more successful in your life? Do you have Sprinter expedite or business problems? Then subscribe. Let's find creative solutions to your problems. Hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of my helpful videos.